So now today we'll talk about the custom CSS and theme colors. So in the previous video I have talked about how we can use the margins and paddings, which is actually already defined in that previously defined by the SAP. So sometimes it may require that we need to use our own CSS and themes. So today we'll check that how we can use that. So for that purpose we need to create a CSS style. So everything should be inside that web app. So what we'll do, we will create a folder that is called the CSS. So inside the CSS we'll create a file that is called the style.css. so you can see that icon will be changed. So basically that is our new CSS style. So you probably know what is the CSS. I'm not going in details, but I will show you how to just make the CSS here and how we can use. So it's just HTML, that is directory and here and it is my app team wt that my custom button, that is for the custom buttons, and SAP MBTN. So here we can use the margin right, that is all about like the positions, how can I use here. So now again is I can just copy from here, I can paste here again, that is HTML dir. First one is the left and it is the right. So down dt my customer SAP button TM, and it should be left. Sorry, so first one is the right, and it should be LTL for the left, and the margin it is left and 0.25 rem is okay. So I'm using another. So these are just here dot another my custom text, here. So display inline block and font we can use bold. So this is just a sample CSS, but from here actually you will get idea that how you can use your custom CSS. So I'm not going in details. So now actually you know that all is everything mentioned in the manifest. So we need to go to the manifest, and here there's the like that models. So after this model has been completed here, so I am using another resources, and these resources, that is actually CSS. So here we can use that. If we use like this, so now I can so here we can use the URL URI. So where is that? It's located under the CSS style.css. So from here, actually from that ID it will go to these locations, and after that it will go to the CSS and it will collect the CSS style. So this done. So now we need to apply this CSS. So where we'll apply this CSS in the that is our app view. So view app, so here we can use like app. So here we can add the class. So what is our class name? Our class name was my app wt, and here like the button, so earlier I used the SAP predefined class, but now I will use my own custom button. So now you can see that is something changed the button, and if we use that input, and that is the text, now we can use like formatted text, and here it's need to close properly. Here we can like here we can call that formatted text, and HTML text. This text actually will print data from the model. So I'm copying here, and now if I refresh, it's not good because still I am not using the class. So here formatted text, put here. So now class, so SAPUI SAPUI small margin, and here actually we can add the theme, SAP theme highlighted. Sorry, actually, SAP theme, then highlight as color. It should be reflect my custom color, so my custom text. So that's all done. So now let's save this, and if we refresh, you can see that these colors and everything is coming from that CSS. So basically that is the way actually you can use that CSS and theme, and that is how you can use, like from the beginnings tutorial it was nothing, it's just a page, and now you can see that so many things is happening. And if we change the layout, you can also see that it is also not breaking. So that's the reason we have to use the proper way, the margin, padding, and the custom CSS. So that's all. So next, continue with the next video about the nested views. Thank you.